I think, a very nuanced interpretation of the Mahabharata that I think people deserve to see. Honestly, I think the overwhelming emotion I'm feeling right now is just such pride. I think this is such a big moment for Indian classical arts in the US, in the world today. I think a lot of us maybe grew up with versions of the Mahabharata, and I've seen the live performance, but I think seeing it on the big screen was such a big moment in general. I think it translated so well, and I think, having a majority female cast was also such a big deal, and this is, I think, a very nuanced interpretation of the Mahabharata that I think people deserve to see. It's relevant to today, and I couldn't be more proud that this is getting such exposure that it should.
And then without giving out too much information about the movie, what would you say are some of your favorite moments?
Ooh,
Well, not
okay,
even
well,
moments. What are just favorite aspects of it?
all right. Well, this was a very action-packed scene. I had brought a friend who had never seen a performance of Navatman's before, and I think the choreography, I think there's a lot, there's drama, there's intrigue, there's everything you could possibly want from a film, but I think it incorporates this beautiful aspect of both story and dance together in a really wonderful way, and I think everyone will be very, very pleased, maybe even pleasantly surprised by what they see.
Awesome. Thank you so much.